Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing and a review of this Willie Dean's kitchen utensil set. It is a must-have kitchen upgrade this year. All right, so I recently got this Willie Dean's 11-piece kitchen utensil set and I am beyond impressed. From the moment I, unbox them, I can tell you these utensils were built to last. This set feels like, you're unwrapping a blend of quality and affordability. The packaging is secure, ensuring each individual pieces arrive in perfect condition, which they did. And there you can see the utensil holder. Absolutely gorgeous. You know what? I love the color because it matches any color scheme in your kitchen. All right. Beautiful, beautiful pieces. The sturdiness and the durability are outstanding. No flimsy, cheap material over here. This is amazing. I can't wait for you guys to get yourself one of these right here. Yep. And another thing I noticed, the sturdiness and the durability. This was actually built to withstand some daily cooking demands, I can tell you that. The grip on them are very, very good. It's just a balance of like the flexibility and strength. Absolutely amazing. And another thing I absolutely love that I noticed is the sleek design. It complements the kitchen setup while maintaining this quality feel. So after I took them out, of course, please make sure to wash your stuff before you use them, which I did. I let them air dry and I place it in my utensil holder. These are so amazing. For the price though, like the value is outstanding. So for the price, this is definitely a steal. So overall, I would definitely give this a 10 out of 10. And I'm sure when you purchase yours, you're definitely going to give it a 10 out of 10. I go through these, like I change them out a lot, but I do feel this is like going to last a very, very long time. All right, so if you're looking for some high quality kitchen tools without breaking the bank, this is a game changer. Click the link and grab yourself this Willie Dean's kitchen utensil set. All right, so do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and let me know if you got yourself this set and how you like it. So be kind to yourself and each other, and I see you all on the next video. Bye bye.